I did Itty Mini Money Mo very quickly. Let's just roll with it. Because if we change it, it could upset people. I'm just a bit half asleep still, so I apologise. Maybe Facebook's just got better mark. Maybe it's not me. Maybe it's the Facebook setup. Oh no, it fell down. Oh man. As soon as this is done, I'm going straight back to bed. I feel hungover. No, I'm not. Just tired. Alright. Good luck, my peeps. Here we go. I'll swap these two over. We'll do it normally. So on this box, Mark, you're in the Fable and the Illusionist. Nathan's on the Ninja. Ray on the Draconic and the Wizard. Anthony on the Ice. And Mark is on the Generic. Chasing that cold foil taco hat, I believe. Which is true. Mike is riding the Generic train. Foil Dust or an Outlaw. I don't even know what the foil was in the first pack. I was still out of it. Nope, that's nice. I literally woke up 5 minutes ago. Dashed for the computer. I think Mark sent me a message earlier. I rolled over, looked at it, and went back to sleep. Alright, I'm gonna White Box. I'm not sure with my mail at the moment, but I ordered a huge amount of sleeves that just have not arrived. Foil Skittering Sands. Foil 8 Ice Cream. That's true, Mark. That's very true. That all you got? And a foil combustion point. Alright. You got Nathan all excited now, mate. Foil combustion point. Our first foil ever. I believe there's 2 ice slots left. That is it. If anyone wants them, let me know. $20 each. Foil Eisenhower. There's a name for the ice. Yeah, Anthony, we've only just kicked off, man, but it's pretty cool. I'm actually quite jealous. I'd love to go camping right about now. Ooh, there we go. There's another little $20 for you there, Mo. Bit of a race face action. And we've got a foil Read the Nipples. I love that card. I do openly sell the ice on Facebook. That I do. Much cheaper than the street value too. $20 a slot's not too bad. Foil Ronin Renegade. I apologise in advance, Anthony. I'm a bit flat, mate. I've literally just crawled out of bed. I was up until 3 AM playing games, and then had to get up early for my kids and take my daughter to dance and have them for the day. So had a little quick hour and a half of nappy poo, and I'm still a bit in dreamland. Foil Singe. Yeah, I think he actually doesn't. He's got like 20 of them, he said. Roman. Foil Arctic Incarceration. Come back, where'd he go? Foil Trade-In. There's two there, Anthony. $20 each if you want them. I'll chuck you down for them right now, mate. Got another combustion point. Did you get to climb the rock, or have they still got it shut off? Foil Rise from Ashes. Okay. Leaving you high and dry, Mark. Foil Mounting Anger. Tame of Firebrand. I'm still asleep, Raymond, so it's just normal life for me at the moment. Draconic Ninja Dust Runner Outlaw Foil. Ooh, a bauble. Does that wake you up? Love me a bauble. Alright. Foil Lava Burst. The cold foil quelling slipper is not what we want to see. But let's just hope that's the first one. We've got something else in there hiding. I opened up 2 boxes the other day, and I got 2 common cold foils, and sweet F all. Wish I had Anthony's luck, he seems to get the good stuff. Foil Dunebreaker Centipie. It's one of those boxes where it's going to surprise us at the end. I like this one. Foil Brother in Arms. Dunebreaker Centipie foil. Oh god, this is a terrible box. Meanwhile, buddy Anthony goes in the store and buys a booster and pulls a flannel spring tunic. Foil Dampen for the Blizzard. Monarchs is pretty rough. What are you still chasing from Monarch anyway, Ray? You just still after? No, you got your library. Just an addict, I guess. Foil Icebind. Don't forget to watch out for dingoes out there, Anthony. What do we got? Oh, damn it. We've got an Encase and Codula Frostball. I thought we had a legendary one. I was wrong. I don't even deserve a sleeve. God, I'm excited for nothing. Ah, yes, the old carrier. Okay. Invoke Dracona Optimi. Nice, nice. Foil Healing Balm. Should have told me, I've got a couple of mates that are chasing them. Let me know if it hasn't sold later on, mate, and I might be able to line up with a buyer. Got a foil Fog Down. I think we've got our one of our 2 boxes out of the way. That one can't be great, I guess. I'm still proud of our video the other week. 4 legendaries, 4 boxes. That was pretty badass. I'm gonna burn them all. The foil stoke the flames. Alrighty. Next up. Alrighty. Oh, Never know, Anthony. Bingo took your baby. You've heard that old story. Still undecided with that one. Alright. More beverage. Ooh-wee. Right, really half asleep here. Should have got 20 minutes earlier so I can have a coffee. We got a frosty. I didn't read out who's in the slots because you all know. There's not many of yous. So just remember Mr. Perkins. I've got you on all the ice slots, my friend. I didn't forget about you, don't worry. Sashler Syndicate. Woo! Oh great, my wife is vacuuming. Impeccable timing. She has great ideas sometimes. Oh, he's in there streaming. We better vacuum the floors. I apologise for this. Poor Ronin Renegade. Oh, we got a foil ash token, but is it going to be... Oh, it's the normal one. Oh, wait, oh no, it's the old art. Boom! There we go. Look at that. Woohoo! Mark, I believe you got on those slots last minute, my friend. Alt art, Aether Ashwing Cold Foil. Not a bad hit at all. I'm pretty sure they're going for just 100 and something at the moment, I think. I sold one of these off when we first got this set, not really knowing what it was. Instant regret. That's not. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Isn't that the dragon in the black? Oh well, still good, even if it's not. I can't tell the difference. We got a foil Skittering Sands. Ah, okay. My apologies. Oh well, still better than a poopy piece of equipment. Oh yeah, it's the same as that. I need to go back to bed, don't I? I don't know why I'm so tired. I've had a couple of hour catch up, or an hour and a half catch up. I thought that would have been enough. Foil Flame Call Awakening. Well, I don't know what they go for, but probably still like 30 bucks or something. So. Hypothermia and a stupid Sigil of Protection that made me think it was. Stupid card. Got a Hypothermia, there you go. Foil stupid Sigil thing. Oh, okay, so it does the purple triangle thing. I thought when I first looked at it, but I was like, yeah, I could be wrong. I've only ever opened one, so. Foils succumb to winter. Few wizard cards there. Alright, we've got another cold foil coming up. It's a poopy frost conduit thingy. God damn it. What a tease. Gives us two and they're both shit. Anyway, there you go, Anthony. How's that? Boom! There we go! Wizard Boy coming up with the goods. I know it's probably worth like $60, but hey. Uvian Costellus. That is going to Anthony Perkins. There we go, Anthony. There you go, man. Don't know if you're chasing one of those or not, but you got one. We're an Insidious Chill. Anthony's slots are just getting warmed up by the looks. Foil Oasis Respite. Freezing Points. We've got lots of random sleeves here because we ordered a ton and they have not arrived. Foil Lava Vein Lava. I actually don't know what's going on at the moment. There's a few things that haven't arrived. But other things have come that I've ordered after, so I hate Ozpus so much. They're so shit. Foil Engulfing Flame Wave.
Is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time you move.
Foil Flex. Sorry, my daughter's just saying funny stuff out there. Bloody hilarious, those kids. They both turn 4 tomorrow. Good day. Foil Lava Vein Loyalty. You'd be just about due to have some kids with you, Mark. You've been married up for a bit. Toma Firebrand and a foil critical strike.
Summer days, winter nights, ride or die right by your side, killing time till you're ready to see I'm all you need. You're a drunk, you're a fool, I'm the thing so right for you.
6 years you've been married, or 6 years you'll have kids.
Look at your dreams, that's where I'll be.
So
'Cause I need
very exact number. Foil skittering sands.
when you're faded and alone and need somebody on the phone. Let it be me, let it be me. When she leaves you in the rain, you need to hide it to the rain. Let it be me, let it be me. And I'll show you love the way it's supposed to be.
Foil polar cap. Start getting through these a bit quicker now.
And I'll show you love the way it's supposed to be. 'Cause
Foil brothers in arms.
and but I wanna just stay the night. And I need
My daughter, can I have my birthday now? No.
oh no, I won't let you go when you're
Oh yeah, that's smart.
alone and need somebody on the phone.
Financial stability is key.
Let it be me.
Foil ice eternal.
When she leaves you in the rain, you need a heart to kill the pain. Let it be me, let it be me. And I'll show you love the way it's supposed to be. And I'll show you love the way it's supposed to be.
Is that all you got? No, it's not. We got plenty more. Don't you worry, mister. Foil searing touch.
Remember us running in the sunlight, staying up to midnight. We had no worries. Drove by the street. There was nothing we were missing, never overthinking. We sang on our favorite song. Because I lost somebody.
Invoke Dracona Optima.
Now I know it's too late. I can't forget about you.
And a foil soaring strike. Some more sleeves. Oh my god, now they're fighting. It's always happens at bedtime. Have fun, Anthony, mate. Don't do anything we wouldn't do. Foil Ambermore. Or gamble and then win and pay it down faster. Another erase face. Alrighty. And a full art Stoke the Flames with a Draconic. Not bad. Yeah, I still haven't opened one of those double foil double side ice lemons yet.
Like a kid and a teddy bear, like a leaf blowing in the air. Could you carry me?
Foil burn away. Geez, 1.85. Not bad, man. Mine's at like a 4.5. My mortgage.
Could you carry me?
You did something right.
Could you carry me? 'Cause I don't know how we got so far.
Yeah, the girls are jumping on my back. I think they both attacked her. You can't even like sit down, they both just like grab onto your throat from behind and you're just a playground. You'll understand when you have kids, Mike. You become literally a human playground. They just climb off you and swing off you and headbutt you and punch you and you say goodbye to your personal space, trust me. Two boxes of poultry. Oh god, now they're fighting. Poor little session Syndikai. She's telling her mother off. If you can hear that screaming, which I'm sure you can. You can make me sad. The famous line, I love it. Oh god. Full Arctic incarceration. She needs the other stick. I don't even want to know what she's got. Yeah. I love kids. I love my daughters, but they can be real dicks when they want to be. Full sleeping low. Oh god. You broke my stick. Yeah, that's it, man. Don't get any personal space. We're gonna foil Insidious Chill. Oh god. I'm just gonna mute you guys for a minute and keep on opening because that's loud.
Who cares what the world's gonna say? 'Cause you know they're gonna say it anyway. Who cares if they laugh at what we do? 'Cause it's only me and you that know the truth. Middle finger to the sky. They don't know about you and I. We've been rolling deeper than they'll ever know. Even though I broke your heart, no, that won't keep us apart. Baby, I know, I'm not giving you up. If you want my love, then you got it. Anytime you want it, baby, bring your body back to me.
Okay.
They can call me foolish and stupid. I do this, so baby, bring your body back to me.
Whatever she's whinted about, the last one to fix it. So we're good. We'll rake the ambers. Sometimes, Mark, you just have to hear the boom inside you and let the boom speak for you from your heart. If someone says a boom in the forest, does it make a noise? No one knows. There's a bit of boom in all of us, Mark. Yep, even you. Even you. Hope you understood that. That was from the heart. I should be a poet. Foil healing balm. Close your eyes, Mark. Think deep into your subconscious. Feel it. Feel the boom. Foil rise from the ashes. Oh my god. The kid is not a happy chap. Oh, okay. I'm gonna mute you guys again.
When you walk away, the quiet is so loud. I'm counting the days and hoping you'll come around. And I see your face wherever I go, haunting me like a ghost. Oh, you never fade, and I cannot cut you out. I tell myself that this is not the end. Maybe in another life we could be lovers. We'd have each other. We'll be one, just for the night.
Okay, I think we're safe. Go to bed. She's still screaming at her mother, but it's further away now. Spreading flames for the ninja. Foil Ambermore Centipie. I don't know what she's carrying on about. She's normally pretty good at bedtime, that one. Must be tired. Yeah, this is box 3 so far. We still haven't hit the coloured foil though, so don't get too many ants in the pants there, Mr. Phillips. Foil Brothers in Arms.
Look up to the sky and wait for a shooting star. I wish you were mine and we never fell apart. And sometimes I wish that we never met.
With an Uprising and a Foil Mountain Anger.
I tell myself that this is not the end.
You're a busy man, eh? What's this tonight? D&D? Warcry? I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I don't think I've ever opened a cold foil Taco hat yet, have I? Actually, really, I've opened a lot of this set, and it's really cold foil legendary is actually quite hard to get. I'm surprised the prices aren't higher. Tome of Duplicity. Foil Brain Freeze. So many TikTok to watch, eh? I literally, if I start watching TikToks, I'll look back and lost 3 or 4 hours of my life. Foil Frosting. Sucks your soul, that thing. Cold Foil Sash of Syndicate. God damn it. Screw you, box number 3. Look at that spice tonight.
Feel my way through the darkness.
Full healed
Beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand.
let's give us a dragon boy on the end.
Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my
Full dust up.
so that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself in love. Didn't know
I like the heat wave. Nice cold floor, that looks sweet too. Oil transmogrifier. Pretty keen for the new set. I can't wait till I start spoiling some cards so I can work out the slots and get some spice happening. You reckon? It is, I guess they are the $5 extra, maybe. Well, Aether Dart. Total Bleak Expanse. Much better. Well, Oasis Respite. I've got fans not giving you guys any feedback.
but I don't have any plans. Wish that I could stay forever this young. Not a
Yeah, I've seen that.
price.
Pretty impressive.
Life's a game made for everyone, and love is the prize.
Well, trade in.
Wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser.
I didn't even know Best TCG award was a thing until today.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser.
Cool, and more.
All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost.
Well, that was a shit box. The process of elimination, box 4 should be okay then.
I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know.
Only one way to find out. I think I am, Anthony. I think I am. It's quite warm, so I might have to actually look out the old fan tonight. My wife will hate that. She runs cold, I run hot. Foil Brain Freeze. I'll just do it while she's not looking, and I'll be able to have the fan on till she turns it off on me. When the war begins. The war. The fan sleeping. Foil Heat Wave? I watched that Netflix movie last night, what was it? I don't know, the new one with Chris Rock. That was really good. If you're bored tonight, there's something to do, Highly recommend it. Call like Me Time or something like that. Looks like we've had a rage quitter. Someone's not watching, someone's gone. Foil Dust Runner.
When I met your friends, we laughed so hard. Oh, watching the sun go down in San Diego, in our favorite spot by the dock. The things I thought that I forgot. So why am I doing this? One sip reminiscence.
Pretty pissed off that I won't be in Sydney next week.
Change my mind tonight.
My Hero Academia. No, I haven't. But I've heard of it. What's that about? Tell me, Mark, because I need something to watch. A little brain freeze.
Nights like that, is it so bad? Is it so bad?
Foil Glacial Horns. Come on, at least finish us up on something big.
Is it so bad?
I'll have to check it out. What's it on? Streaming, or is it on one of the normal platforms? Foil Aether Dart. Freezing Point. Oh, it's on Netflix. Alright, I'll check it out. Watched, oh, what was it? Took some anime on Netflix with the dragons and stuff. That was badass. That might be the one you're talking about, is it? Foil Flax. Is it the one that I've watched where it's about the guy that gets the Elder Dragon goes into his blood and he becomes a hybrid? And it's got the elves at war with the humans and the gods. Void Domina. Ah, okay. Well, I'll tell you this one in a second. Let me just have a look at my phone. Probably one of the best. It's very World of Warcrafty. It is. Oh, you missed it. Netflix. It is called. Ah, it's like a. What do you mean? What's it called? It's like in Dota, Dragon's Blood. I don't even need to look. Yeah, it's Dota. Oh, I'll start watching the other one when I finish up here. That'll put me back into my slumber. Foil trade in. Come on, give us something good. Something big. We need a finale here. Foil Lava Burst. We got a... Ooh! Boom! There we go. We got a Fable. There we go. It's not the cold foil, but it's a Fable. And we got a Liquefy with it. Let's have a quick look and see who's on this bad boy. Blood of the Drakai is going to... Anthony. Well done, my friend. Well done. I mean, Anthony's done alright tonight. Everyone else hasn't. AP. There we go. Anthony. Well done, my friend. I think they're currently sitting at about at the 140 mark, but I expect a spike with the next set. So I would recommend holding on to it. Unless you need the extra fundage, because I think it's going to go up with the new hero, to be honest. Something tells me he may be able to use it, considering he can only play red cards. You never know. Sometimes my predictions are good, so... Taco Hut was a perfect example. Sometimes I can pull things out of my butt. Foil Red Hot. Legendary in this box will just make it that bit nicer now. You can always sell me your cold foil while it's cheap, Mark. Foil Ampermore. You are a red card. Red card of doom. Foil Sweeping Blow. We haven't got the cold foil yet, so we might still get a good surprise. Have we got a cold foil? I don't think we have. No. Foil Singe. Remind me as well, Mark, I've still got to send you the photo of that misprint. Next week, man, I've got another case of Uprising to go, and then I think we might mix it up. Unless you want me to mix it up next week, I'm happy to do that. What do you want? I would love to change it up, because I'm getting sick of Uprising. Foil and case, it just seems to be what sells and everyone wants, so... Let's do some Welcome to Wraith. I wouldn't mind doing some Welcome to Wraith. Who wants some Welcome to Wraith? I don't know. What do you just want? Do you just want more of this, or do you just want something different? Romans just says cardboard, yep. So I'll still do a couple boxes of Uprising, but let's chuck something different in for once, eh? Another erase face. That's 3 for Mark. That's $60 in erase faces so far, because he loves them. Foil Healing Balm. You watch. Once you give up, we'll pull it straight away. Foil Brothers in Arms. I gave up on trying to pull my my shard, and with 2. So if anyone's in the market for a shard, let me know. And by that I mean an Arknight shard, not the drug ice. Before Mark says anything. Foil Succumb to Winter. FUD down. Maybe I'll just open one and sell it to you cheaper. How's that sound? Foil Icebind. We might do, alright, let's go. We'll do 2 Uprising, 1 Arc, and 1 Welcome to Wraith. How's that sound? That sounds fun. Foil Dustrunner Outlaw for the Draconic Ninja. Who's they? Rake the Embers, foil. We haven't hit our cold foil yet, I don't believe. You still might be in a chance here, Mark. Or have we? We're in 2 packs. Although I have opened plenty of boxes in this with no cold foil, so wouldn't be surprised. Foil Aether Hail. I need to get Anthony to open boxes. I mean, he seems lucky. Alright, what have we got in this one? Last one. Gonna burn them all. Foil Lava Vein. Loyalty. Something tells me we're not getting a cold foil in this box unless I've missed it, and we did get it. And I've just forgotten because I'm pretty out of it. Alright, that's it. Alright, well done to Mr. Perkins. He seemed to have got a fair few tonight. I'll put the slots up tomorrow. We are going to go 2 Uprising. We are going to go 1 Arc and 1 Welcome to Wraith. And yeah, I agree, Mark.